Hello and welcome to my channel. So recently I asked a few of my students and my followers on Instagram what they wanted to learn first, the Batwing sleeve or the Kaftan sleeve. So that's when I realized that many of them didn't know the difference between these two and the kimono sleeve. So I thought I'll first make a quick very short tutorial or a video explaining the difference between these three sleeves. Okay, and mind it is not drafting, it is just to understand the logic. Once you understand the logic, you would be able to do it for any kind of dress form. So let's quickly see the difference. So let's see the logic. So the logic I have already drawn two formats here on paper, and see, if you understand the logic, then you can do this for anything. You can do this for kurta, you can do this for top, shirts, etc. Okay, anything you can do this for. Now as you can see, these are the two ones. This one I will convert into kimono, and this one into batwing. There is not a huge difference between kimono and batwing. Mind it, this is not a draft. Okay, so it is just so that I can explain you the logic. Now once we make the format, so this is the arm side, okay, or the armhole that we cut, and this is the body, and this is the neck and the shoulder. Okay, so in kimono what happens is we take it like this. Okay, so if you can take it full sleeve, you can take it 3/4 sleeve, that is up to you. Mostly it is 3/4 or full, and then whatever you have to keep here, you keep that, and then we join this directly with the body. Okay, how do we join? The difference between where the curve starts from the armhole is not much. So it is maximum say 2 to 3 inches below the armhole. So there is this curve of the waist here, the side, and then here, this is how the kimono sleeve would be. So if I erase this armhole which I had made earlier, a kimono sleeve would look something like this. Exactly same way we will be doing on this other side also. Now for a batwing sleeve. Batwing sleeve is similar to kimono sleeve. The difference is here in kimono we had taken it and joined it with the waistline. But in batwing what happens, suppose it is again full sleeve or 3/4, both work fine in batwing also. Instead of here, we take it from here, exactly from here, and again this also you can add a shape like this, or you can take it straight, or in fact you can even take it like this. Okay, so it is totally up to you how, because the bat wings are kind of like this, right? This is how the bat wings are. Now you can take straight. So if you take it straight like this, and you can add a cuff, and you can add a little bit of gather also around the sleeve. Now if I erase this armhole and the side, so now this is how the batwing sleeve would be. Exactly same way we will have to do the other side also. So if I do it, let's quickly do this. So you got this, the batwing top. Okay, generally in batwing tops, if it is a top, there would be a band here also, like how the kind of top that I was wearing in this video, the black one. Okay, there would be a band here maybe, so it gives an excellent look. Same way for kimono also, exactly the same thing we will do on the other side. So this is kimono sleeve and this is batwing sleeve. Now let's do the kaftan sleeve. So kaftan sleeve is something in which we don't cut. Okay, so it is actually a rectangular piece of fabric. What I am wearing is a kaftan sleeve. It is a rectangular piece of fabric. So there is no cut done for the sleeves or the armhole. So this is how it is. So suppose if this is a kaftan, we will make the neck here. This is a rectangular piece of fabric. We will make the neck here, and we will stitch only the side as per the measurement. Okay, we can stitch the side a little bit, then it becomes a kaftan kurta. What I am wearing is a kaftan top, so if it is shorter in length, you get a kaftan top where you just stitch the side. So automatically the opening here becomes the armhole, and obviously we will be finishing the neck. So this is how the kaftan is made, and this is the logic between a kaftan, a kimono and a batwing sleeve. In the next video I will show you a quick sketch of the most demanded is batwing, so I will teach that first, and we will see the design, and then we will see the drafting and the cutting and the stitching of the design that I would be creating.
If you liked this video, then do click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Also, I have a 5-day course in which I teach fashion designing. If you are interested, I'll leave the link in the description box. Click on the link to join the online pre-recorded course.